trying to take a standard Word document and convert it into an ebook. The big thing here to make sure is that you use styles correctly throughout the book. So if we go down here and we look at my chapter heading, it's using heading 1. And if we would click on the text, it's using normal for the text. When this is done correctly, you can look at the notation pane and see that it automatically generates a table of contents for you. It's completely clickable. This is important because this is what will turn into the NCX file inside your book. So let's close that. Now we will take our docx file, make sure it is a docx and not a doc. We'll drag and drop into Calibre. Take just a moment, there it is. Now, we want to put the cover on the book, so we will edit the metadata. We will go find our cover, which is right here. Click open. Now it's got this pretty little cover. I like to put the series name on it. And it's actually book 1, not book 8. We'll pick OK. So now the book is fully in Calibre, we are going to convert it. So we go to convert individually. Pick EPUB. One thing to make sure of in here is to check expand CSS. If you do not do that, some of the Nook readers will fail to read the file correctly. I also highly recommend you tell it to strip fonts and colors. That will make it compatible with the broadest range of e-readers when you're done. So we'll pick OK. This just takes a few seconds to make the EPUB. There, now it's done. We can remove the doc file from Calibre. We don't need it anymore. And we want to edit the book. So go down to edit book. You'll see over here, here's all the files that are inside EPUB. This is what was generated by Calibre for you. Over here you can see your NCX file that has your table of contents. If we want to edit that, we can go to Edit Table of Contents here in the Tools menu. I'm not going to do that right now, but you can edit any of these entries that you want to make it as pretty or as dirty as you want. We'll just accept the default. Now, we want to insert inline table of contents. This will automatically create the HTML version of the table of contents. Now, it puts it as the very first file. We don't really want it there. So we'll just drag it down to right after the copyright page so that it's in the right spot. Run a check, make sure there's no errors, no problems, so we'll hit save. I'll close this window, we'll go look at our EPUB. As you can see, the NCX portion, this is the portion that the Kindle and Nooks and the other readers will use for their chapter jump menus that they have built in. This is not visible to the user, it's on part of the Kindle menus. So we'll go ahead and close that so now you can see it's there. We'll flip through the pages. There's our HTML table of contents. And that starts the actual text of the book. Now we have EPUB set up the way we want. We'll create the MOBI. So we go down and pick MOBI over here. Now when clicking the MOBI, the big deal is to make sure you check MOBI output and make sure do not add table of contents. It's checked. We already have taken care of your table of contents. We do not want Calibre to create a new one. So it'll end up being 2 in the book. So we'll press OK. For some reason, creating a MOBI takes just a little bit longer than creating the EPUB, but that's okay. We'll just cruise through here. A little snake going around. Whee! There we go. And we'll open the MOBI, take a look at it. There's our pretty little cover. There's our text. There's our HTML table of contents. And there's the text of the book. And as you can see, the NCX is here. Boom. So that's it. We've got our files. Now we can just pick right click and save to disk. And save it wherever we want. And we have the files for upload. EPUBs go to just about any reader on the market. MOBIs go to your Kindles.